Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at these stockings over here. They're so cute. Okay, mini stocking. Okay, so that's Santa and that's the shoes. How cute. Then down here you have all the stocking holders. Okay, so that's the elf, the Santa, and the snowman. Okay, so they have plenty of those. Then they have the stocking over here. So pretty. And then right here they have the mermaid. I love the mermaid. Look at that white one. That's so adorable. Okay, the elf made me do it. That's really pretty, and these are absolutely gorgeous. So then over here you have the snowman, and then you have the camper. Some more of the mermaid tails. It's the most wonderful time of the year. The elf made me do it. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And then you have this Christmas one. Then you have that one. I like that one. Okay, the Christmas tree. Let's see what's over here. Okay, so you have this one. And then you have this one. Then you have the reindeer. Santa. I like that black one along the bottom there. So over here we just have some regular gloves. So I'm just scanning that through, guys. I'm absolutely loving these stockings, and this green is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then look at this one. And this one, here's the camper again. I'm really liking that camper. So this one over here looks like a rabbit. So those are the rabbits. I think that's a rabbit. And then here's the dog, and maybe that's a cat. I don't know. I'm sorry, that's probably a cat. And here's the dog. Spider-Man. Avengers. Paw Patrol. That's so cute. You have some tinsel over here. These have the candy canes on it. You have some elves. Some more elves. There's the elf stocking, and I'm absolutely loving that sign. Isn't that cute? Santa's elves see everything. Here's the felt elf, and here's the tinsel one. And then this must be the elf ears. Okay, there's some more little mini elves along the bottom. This is a small one. I like this. This is a nice size for crafting, so they have this. The other one was bigger. Then they have the acrylic gems in that blue that I absolutely love. There's some crushed glass and some pebbles, and then we have some of the Spanish moss on the wall, some deco mesh, and then the cinnamon broom. Sorry for that noise, guys. That cinnamon broom smells so good. You can smell it right through the bag. These are so nice, even to put in the car. So you have Penny. Okay, she looks like Penny the penguin. Then we have Paul. And then we have Maggie, the moose, and Winston, the whale. That is so neat. They keep bringing those back. And then you have your little mini shells. I love decorating with these, crafting with these. They're so nice. So they have that. These are so nice. I like these. And then they have, I don't know, these succulents. They're everywhere. Then we have the sand and the multicolor and some pebbles, some styrofoam for floral arrangements. And then what is this? I think this is new. Welcome to the jungle. Today has been canceled. Go back to bed. That's not new. Be kind to human. Sun's out, buns out. Some more succulents. I can't believe it, along the bottom. And then you have some more of these styrofoams. You have these styrofoam balls and these little mini ones. Okay. And then look at these. I like these washi tapes. I think some of these are new, like this one, this avocado one over here with the string, the fish, the bunnies. And look, these are gummy bears. That's not new. They're so nice. Okay, so those washi tapes. Then we have these pebbles right here. The pebble stones, the black stones, the white stones. And then these are the glass beads and the sea beads. And then that's the floral wire and color. So over here we have some regular floral wire, floral tape, and there you have some chalk stakes. And here you have some adhesive wrap, bling wrap. Then we have some stickers over there, and these are the mirror decals. I love that crown. You see the crown, guys? And then you have some cactus, some wooden arrows. They have the moss sheets and the excelsior in green, and then they have the reindeer moss. So then over here we have the ribbon. This is the sheer. Look at the colors they have. Okay, then they have the grosgrain, the bling wrap, and in there you have regular ribbon, and then you have the burlap. This one's burlap, and there's the tulle. And then you have some deco mesh over here on the end. So that's pretty much all they have. So guys, thank you so much for coming with me to the Dollar Tree shopping. And then you have some those plastic vases up there. Thank you so much for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.